Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about iPhone features, and I would like to show you the way how you can scan any documents with Apple Notes. So open your iPhone right away, and then you just need to slide it into the left side, and then you visit the app library, and then you just need to tap on the app library search button here, Notes, and then it will pop up. On the top side will be a notes here, so you just need to go click it. Now you just need to go click this new button, and then you just need to type documents for the title, or you also can leave it blank, and then you just need to jump into the body, and then here you just need to go click this plus button over here and just go click this camera. There will be an option about scan document on the second row, so you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just preparing the documents that you want to scan, and you just need to place it in the top, and then you just need to go click save. And this document will be directly uploaded into your document notes, and then you just need to save it, or you can print it by go click this way, and you just need to click in the downside. Here's print, and you will get an option which documents that you want to print here. So if you only want to have this print for your documents, just need to keep the documents, and then just need to go click this button, and then go click save to files and pick the folder that you want to save it. And now you're done. So that's the way how you can scan the documents with Apple Notes. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.